am basic, I am basic, I am basic. Ugh, I caved in.
Ain't no laws when you're drinking claws, baby.
Yes, I'm drinking a White Claw. Hello, everybody. I get a little buzz on, I start craving comfort food. And what's the America's sweetheart of comfort food for, you know, all of us? Macaroni and cheese. That's right, you said it. So, because of my low carb basic drink that I'm having now, because I'm trying to get rid of Thelma and Louise here. Macaroni and cheese without the macaroni.
What are you talking about? What? Are you serious to me right now?
It's gonna be made with cauliflower. We're gonna dice it up, chop it up. We're gonna get rid of quarantine weight one of these days. And that's it, so let's get started. Wow, it's magic, Jason, it's magic. You have all your cheese, you have all your ingredients, but this, your beautiful, what do you call this? Guest of honor, your head of cauliflower. Chop them up, make sure it's very dry before you put it in the oven because you're gonna bake it for 30 minutes. It's very easy, okay? So, 1, 2, yeah! Okay, looking good, looking good. So Olympia, who's been with me for like 6 years now, we asked her to move in. We took the next step. So she now lives with us. And it's like having a mother in the house, and I love it. I'm obsessed with it. Well, she did realize she moved into a house full of homos, but she didn't realize that, like, if you ask for mac and cheese, you're gonna get cauliflower mac and cheese. If you ask for pizza, you're gonna get keto pizza. Basically, she's looking for bread in this house, okay?
Bread.
Okay, bake in your oven, 400 degrees, slide it in. Oh yeah, 30 minutes. Timer. Oh, we should set up my Alexa. Are those commercials for real? You can really just say, Alexa, set a timer?
Yeah. You can do that with your phone, too.
No, you can't.
Yeah. Hey Siri, set a timer for 30 minutes.
Your timer is set for 30 minutes.
What? Hey Siri!
Siri!
What?
Child. Anyways.
We have 30 minutes, and this next step is not gonna take us that long, but we're gonna make the cheese sauce. So I'm gonna use sharp cheddar. I'm also gonna use shredded mozzarella. I'm gonna do a little 2 ounces of, Philadelphia cream cheese. My secret ninja. I have the butter in. It's melting, not burning. Very important, if you melt your butter, you start over. Don't even try to cook with burnt butter. 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. So, a tablespoon of butter, 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. Then, you can add your 2 ounces cream cheese. All right, let that melt. Now, the fun part comes. So whatever cheese you like, you just start adding handfuls. Handfuls of cheddar. If you like spicy, pepper jack. You know what? Maybe I will put the Velveeta in the sauce. I was gonna put it when I bake it. So now I'm gonna add a little smoked paprika for taste and color. Just clean up, we have 9 minutes. Oh! God, I love being like a genie. I'm a genie. So you're gonna need to get your little pot out. Just gonna put it in here. Oh, look at that. Oh yeah. Oh. Come on, go to your home. So, now that it's hot and it's boiling, I'm going to pour this over the cauliflower. Look at that. That's how you want it. Oh, here we go. Oh my God, it's making me so
Hungry.
We're gonna make it into our own little shape. Oh my God, it smells so good. Okay, so now we're just gonna add a little bit more cheddar before we throw it in the broiler. Grated Parmesan, pepper. Smoked paprika. This is just the finishing little touch before you throw it in the broiler for 5 minutes. It's a work of art. I know. Siri! Oh, I didn't set it up.
Siri!
5 minutes, you're gonna be eating good. Ooh, Lord, we thank you. Oh my God. If you like it, then you should have put a ring on it. Come on. Come Come on, look at that. Is there a better thing to look at than this? I don't think so. I don't think so. Jason, this is for you. Set it right down. Your nice little fork. I don't know which part to pick yet. Let's see. Okay, well, I want a little crunch. Look at that. Live vicarious, come on. If you're on the keto, if you're trying to lose that Thelma and the Louise, I know cheese usually isn't the way to go, but apparently, as long as you don't eat a carb. I get it now. The cauliflower tastes like a noodle because it's been like baked for so long and broiled. It tastes like a noodle, like a giant noodle. You know I don't lie to you. We know how I felt about the chicken nugget, right? This dish, everything you just saw, do it. I'm not even kidding. Do it. This, why is this so good? This was a success, and I want you all to try it. This might, besides the French burger, maybe something I'm forgetting. I think this is one of my favorite things I've ever made. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you laughed along with us. By us, I mean Jason, you know, we're the duo. Hit the like button if you enjoyed yourself, comment, subscribe, and ring that bell for notifications. Yeah, bye-bye for now.